Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on Cooking Craze application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Cooking Craze, firstly go ahead and open up your Cooking Craze application. The home page of Cooking Craze application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the profiles page, edit your name right next to display name option and tap on save and close. This is how you can change your name on Cooking Craze quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.